Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make no-sew curtain panels in under 5 minutes. To make them, you'll need a roll of 3/4 inch wide hemming tape, another roll of 3/8 inch wide hemming tape, your curtain rods, an iron, and ironing board. You'll also need fabric in the length of your curtains. I'm making 108 inch long curtains, so I asked for 3 yards per panel. Cut off any loose thread. The first part we're going to make is the rod pocket. To make that, you're going to put the top edge down and put your curtain rod on top. This way you'll know how thick you'll need to make your rod pocket. For my curtains, I'll be using this black rod that I bought from Walmart. It's about 1 inch thick for reference. Once you've ironed down your flap, you're going to take the 3/8 inch wide hemming tape to create your rod pocket. You're going to put it about 1/2 inch away from the edge of your fabric just so it doesn't fray. With your tape in place and your flap closed, take an iron and go over the hemming tape. Creasing down your flap beforehand helps to keep the fabric in place during this step. Once you've ironed down your hemming tape, check to make sure your rod pocket will fit your curtain rod. It doesn't have to be perfect. For mine, I had an extra piece of fabric, but I just easily cut that off. Once you're done with the rod pocket, it's time for the last and final step, hemming the curtain. We'll be using the 3/4 inch wide hemming tape for this portion. I didn't crease my curtain beforehand just because the tape is pretty wide, so it was easy to just fold and iron across. If you would prefer, you can crease it before, just like we did with the rod pocket. Once you've ironed the hemming tape all the way through, you can iron the rest of your curtains and voila, you're done.